Hello guys, welcome to Tech Tricks tutorial. In today's video, I will show you how to make Japan infinite crabs. So let's head over and add in here some water. Now on this water right here, let's head over and then click on water and add it right here. Now let's click on fire and add this just beside it. And now let's add another fire to that fire, and now we have volcano. Now let's merge volcano to the lake and we have island. Then let's add another island to the island, now we have continent. And then in here, let's put in here an earth. And then on this earth right here, let's put in here another earth. Now we have a mountain. So let's merge this mountain with the continent, and now we have Asia. Now let's put in here an island, and now we have Japan. So that's the whole process. If you have any questions, just comment down below and we'll try our best to answer. If you also have any tips or anything that you want featured, then let's also comment down below and we'll try to make that. Thanks!